take care of all of the details. All of the details will be shared and saved. Now, to a bull and a tiger, we don't care. Here's the credit card, let's go. Right? So a bull tiger salesperson talking to an owl lamb, you're gonna...
Riding there, there's not much you can do. It really is just about spending time in the elevation. But when you get to Cusco, drinking fluids and just taking it easy.
And just tell them what you want. Yeah, for the specific trips, not just for the person in their trip. So I could drive it.
Right.
Can you get one of your brochure?
There you go.
Thank you so
You're
much.
welcome.
Hello again.
Hi. She said she met you yesterday.
Yeah.
How's things going?
All right.
Good.
A lot of information.
Yeah, a lot. I'm trying to suck in all of it.
Is that southern or middle or North California?
No, it's like next to like Anaheim.
Oh, okay. Got it.
Close to Anaheim.
Yes.
Between Anaheim and LA.
Yep.
Middle of the
Right there.
borders.
Okay.
And this is called Little India. You have all the restaurant there, everything.
Oh, okay. I've never done that. Okay.
The next time you come, you have an Indian
I love Indian food, yes.
How about you?
Thank you so much.
Mm-hmm. Do you want a flyer?
Yeah, yeah, please.
Thank you. I'm based in Mongolia.
Never heard of it.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
Unless like for some lodges that are built with international tracks, they've got motorways behind those people, but they always put in trains so that
research or whatever. And it's something I've just been seeing Wendy move from nowhere to like I swear once a week in my inbox.
So Discover will be buying to try and get our word out with the trade. So Discover have got their own database, and they also are buying trade databases for us to get that word out.
Yeah.
Do some great webinars as well.
Sounds good.
Is that April, between April to...
Yeah, it kind of differs by year. If you look up like Japanese trade balance and
Right.
forecast, like the government essentially publishes
Yeah,
like
yeah,
when
okay.
there's full days.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, well, a little bit about our tour is it's a tour package. We're a cruise company, so it's a cruise-centered tour package. It's 10 nights of cruise
Okay.
and 2 nights pre and post cruise land tours. For 2026, we are offering the routes that go in springtime. So if you look at the dates, it's March to April. So we try to make it so that you're bound to
My handshake this side.
Some of the tourism boards is out there. With the change in administration, something now have established a number that will like be the absolute. It's our first big event out in the U.S. market. So thank you. It's always great. It's so much. We sell it to us as well. Knowing that it's all top destinations in Quintana Roo, you have every area. The ones I mentioned, but then you have like Chichimau and Manawao and Lakwa.
Have you met Steve next door to you?
Yeah.
Steve's one of my favorite people. Yeah. Coming by and saying, look at that. No, no facts. No, no facts. So you already know where you're with. You're on vacation. Good, good.
And I just need to get back on and probably update my...
What agency?
I'm with the host, the outside agency.
So Chris Dacus is your mediator. You should be getting this email maybe once a month until we get our email sent out. But yeah, I mean, you're already on with outside agency and portal. If they need to reset you, they can do that for you. I'm going to give you this. It has our contact numbers in the back. In case you do have to get back on, you can call and they can reset your login for you.
Awesome.
Yeah, I'm so glad you got it right. Thank you. Moshimi. Moshimi Hill.
absolutely no problem.
I love that.
Hello again. How's it going?
Oh, okay. Glacier.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
Stay away my last one, but I
Yeah, we're out of the Seward, Homer, or Anchorage area, and we do glacier dog sledding, we do glacier paddle boarding and ice
I remember. I
climbs.
think you were the chopper expert, or
That's I'm the chopper expert.
I
That's
thought so.
me.
Yeah.
That is me.
Oh yeah.
All right.
Also, what I can do when
This is a great option. We have a lot of different price points, but the glacier dog sledding, that's in June right here, up on the high glacier with lots of snow.
Yes.
People, it's a bucket list thing. That's, you know, people love it, love it, love it.
Yeah. Okay. Is that the same with this?
This one is for more agents. This one right here is a client. Kind of gives you a visual, and our website has lots and lots and lots of pictures.
All right. I
Easy
might
to
get
set
one
up.
of these
Yeah,
too
this
for
one
the
kind of gives
agent.
you our terms and conditions and how to get set up with commissions. Super.
So that's what it is, yeah.
I know, and I made a little sash, no one likes this way. But she told me about the show, and I said, you know what, I don't want to go because I know a lot of times
Or
Yeah, I have account with them. Speaking. Okay. Well, thank you so much.
Well, you guys are here. You have the top one. It's available until the 18th.
It's like the house is shaking
Can I get one of your cards?
Of course. Also our advisor guide. So, huh?
Yes.
Okay.
All right. Thank you so
Do you
much.
sell Italy?
What?
Do you sell Italy?
No, I'm going to Italy.
Okay.
Yes, I do.
Hi, we get
Yeah.
cut through this.
I had the high-tech one, but this is